discover your true purpose and begin living the life that you deeply desire.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time you might be listening to this special Law of Attraction podcast. I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink. And today, oh yes, we're doing it. You got it. We are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. So people ask me from time to time, they'll say, Robert, can you help me discover my purpose? And I can help people discover their purpose, but it's really something that it has to come from within. What is your purpose? Where are you going? What direction are you moving? Now, it's interesting because when I was in grade school, I thought, well, as soon as I graduated from high school, I would know my purpose. But when I graduated from high school, the only thing I knew was to go on to college. And then I thought, well, when I graduate from broadcast school and when I graduate from college, then I will know my purpose. But I really didn't know my purpose. I really didn't. And so I thought, well, when I get a good paying job and I have a great job and a career, well, then I will know my purpose. But it didn't come then. And then I kept saying, well, when I make a certain amount of money, then I will know my purpose. But the more money I made, it made me happier, that's for sure. I had more things I could buy and do, but it didn't necessarily enlighten me. I guess that's a good word, enlighten. And so the question is, what is your purpose? Your purpose is not your career. That's something you do. Your purpose is not what other people told you must be. That's their opinion. And where are you going? What are you really doing here on this planet? And equally important, will you ever have what you truly desire? And I believe the answer is yes, but I believe that there's a caveat to that. And the caveat is that knowing your purpose will help you attract what you truly desire. Why am I here? What is my purpose? And then I began to look at my different careers, different things that I did, different things I participated in, and what really juiced me, what really jazzed me up and gave me a sense of purpose. And that was reaching out to good people like you and teaching the ancient mysteries along with modern science on the law of attraction and on personal empowerment and on miracle magic. Now, that's my purpose. And once I understood that my purpose was to help other people like you be happy, to reach up and live at your highest potential and help others and others. It's like what they call a touchstone in alchemy. I touch you, and then you raise up in vibration. And you begin living on purpose. I think that's the best way of putting it. You're actually living on purpose because you have a purpose to your life. High flyers, you are all diamonds. You are a diamond. And the sooner that you believe fully and completely that you are a diamond, that you're unique, that you are a once in a universe lifetime. You will never come again. And when you begin to embrace the diamond in you, the beauty in you, the magnificence in you, you won't allow other people to manipulate you. You won't feel down when somebody walks away from you, because you know that you are the prize. You are the one. And what gives you that is having a purpose. Now, your purpose isn't just to get a relationship, though that's a wonderful thing. Your purpose isn't just to start a business, though that's an incredible thing. Your purpose isn't just to become wealthy and abundant and rich, though that may be part of it. You have a deeper purpose, a deeper reason for existing. Focus on yourself. If you're watching this on YouTube, if you're listening on YouTube, write down below, right now, I focus on myself. I focus on myself. Because anything I want to change or do outside of myself must begin with inside myself. At the time of this recording, it's the first part of the year in January. And I'm encouraging you to do something incredible with your life. I didn't say do something fun. I didn't say do something that will get you by. I said do something incredible with your life. But the only way that you will ever do something incredible with your life is to understand your purpose. I understand my greatest purpose is to leave a legacy in the form of Julian, my son, to give him all the tools that I wish I would have received, that most children never receive. And then it's up to him what he does with it. But I believe he's going to do wonderful things. That's part of my purpose. You are part of my purpose. So as you know your purpose, you have the potential and opportunity to do incredible things with your life. I urge you, I invoke your power to love deeper, to love with deeper commitment, with deeper devotion than you've ever loved before, to manifest happiness in your life and in the lives of people you touch, and to create and enjoy abundance, health, and vitality. Do something incredible with your life. Promise yourself right now. Don't wait till the audio program is over. Promise yourself right now. Today I promise Robert, to do something incredible with my life. And finally, if you choose to know your purpose and to do something incredible with your life, you will free yourself of pain, and you will free yourself of their pain as well. Because I know you have pain inside you. Do you want to know how to eliminate that pain forever? Do something incredible with your life. Live on purpose. Know your purpose. Now, high flyers, you're soaring up over the mountaintops, over the resistance, over the negativity. No one will fly for you. No one will flap your beautiful eagle wings for you. No one will fix your life problems but you. All kinds of people will come into your world and tell you they will help you, but they won't. Ultimately, they can't. Only you can. No one will fix your life but you. You, and you alone, are the one that you have been waiting for. You are co-creator of your reality. You are a master manifester. You don't need a certification program. You already are. You were born. Your birthright was to manifest your deepest desires. Set high intentions, and then take daily steps. Write down those goals or intentions, and then write down what steps you're going to take every day to move you closer in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Ask yourself one question throughout the day, over and over and over again. What am I vibrating? Robert, what are you vibrating right now? Take inventory of your thoughts. Take inventory of your feelings, and that will tell you what you're vibrating. Act as if your dreams are present, because they are. They are present right now. Everything you've ever desired is already been delivered by the universal Amazon, and it's sitting on your front porch. You have to take the correct actions, which include opening the door and grabbing the packages. But everything you desire is already present. Now, one final thing. Make a commitment today to give away love. I don't mean you have to be a hippie from the 60s and say, oh, I love everyone, blah, blah, flower power. All I'm suggesting is that you look for opportunities throughout the day to give away love, to show mercy, to show kindness. Because if you do that, you'll attract that. You attract what you are, not what you want. Give away abundance in what you teach, in who you help, in whom you touch. Live your life as if other lives are better for it. In other words, your purpose isn't just you, though you're looking inward at yourself to understand your purpose. You're not living your purpose based on other people's opinions, but then live your life, live your purpose, as if other people's lives were benefiting from you living your purpose, living on purpose. Because they are. Oh, I assure you they are. I promise you they are. Now, I want to mention this real quickly, that we recently gave away on January 1st a year of miracle mentoring and Alchemy Life coaching. And we are doing it again on July 14th. I know that's a ways away, but on July 14th, 2019, we are going to select another lucky winner. If you are subscribed to us on YouTube and you have clicked the bell icon, then you will automatically be entered into the contest. You have to be over 18, of course, but hey, listen, we want to give something special away. Oh yeah, people are giving away $10 Amazon gift certificates and things like that. We're giving away thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars of training to one lucky winner. Make it your intention. My intention is to receive a year of miracle mentoring and Alchemy Life coaching. Either way, keep in touch with us. Thank you for your wonderful comments below, and you have a great day because you deserve it. Bye-bye now.